Hi guys and Moin Loide, welcome to my 5 weeks expedition from the inland city of Bremen via channels, rivers and the North Sea to the Baltic Sea in autumn. This is part 8, the Kiel Channel, transit to the Baltic Sea. Please don't miss my endeavors and subscribe, thanks. In Norddeich at the North Sea I waited for better weather in combination with the tide to get along to my home village Cuxhaven, but one storm front after another arrived. It wouldn't make any sense to hang out here as my time limit is the 5th of November and it runs out. Kathy rescued me and trailered us to the entrance of the Kiel Channel at Brunsbuettel on the river Elbe, where I could proceed at least the next 100 clicks to the Baltic Sea. This channel was built in 1895 not only to save time and 250 nautical miles around Denmark, but also avoid storm-prone sea and having to pass through straits and belts into the Baltic Sea. For me there is no weather dependency, but one more severe. 30,000 ships a year passing through this eye of a needle. The channel is at least 100 meters wide. When a ship passes me, the huge propeller first sucks the water in and I slide into a trough. Once the ship has passed, the bow and stern waves come. At the beginning it was quite spooky and when a vessel towers very close over me, but I got used to it.
See you soon.
Who we are? Check it out.